Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to upload your final product to SeeSaw so you can show your family what you did. So you're going to go over here to the plus add, and you're going to post your work. And the one you're going to choose down here is you are going to choose to upload a file. So you're going to pick this. And I know it says that asks you if you want to drop in the file. So what you're going to do is select from Google Drive. You're going to check your account, and you're going to look at this and go okay and allow. And then it will let you select what you want. And I'm going to type in which thing I want. And I want to put in the story of Jane the Eagle. And then it uploads it. And I can put a caption with it. I could write, this is my story I wrote for science class. Okay, and then I can hit the check mark to say that's ready, and I can, then what I do is I find myself on here and I check that one. And since I'm not a student, I'm not going to do that. Well, I can do sample student, can't I? Okay, and I can go check, and it will upload it to this, and it says that it's 4 pages. So here's the link that people can click in order to get to see it. And then my family can go through and look at it, which is kind of cool. So that is how you are going to upload it to SeeSaw to share with your family. If I can close this.